Y'all the goats for real. Period. This one's still eating. You shaking your tail feather? Hi. So you're a male duck because you have the curl, and I think you're a female. Ooh, shaking that tail feather. Are y'all a couple? Are you gonna make some ducklings? She gave me her ass to kiss.